Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about a splat expression in Terraform. So a splat expression allow us to get a list of all the attributes. Okay, so suppose you want to create 100 IAM user, but after creating the user you also want to get 100 like user ARN as a output. So how you can get that? So you can use a splat expression there to achieve this ask. Okay, so let me go ahead to the VS Code and show you how we can achieve this. Okay, so name, let me delete this resource. Okay, AWS underscore IAM and underscore user, right? So and I will give the name it to test. Okay, and name is equal to IAM user dot. Okay, then I will use dollar and curly braces and count dot index, right? Index. Okay, I will use count dot index here, and I will put this in double quotes. Okay, so it's look now better. So I will use here count meta argument. Okay, so I have already created separate video for count meta argument. Okay, so whenever we want to create multiple resource, so we can directly achieve it using count meta argument. So I want to create 10 user. Okay, so 10 IAM user I want to create. So and I want to grab all the user ARN as well. Okay, so I will define output here. Okay, and in the name what we have to define. Okay, so in the name we will define the ARN. In the output, instead of name we will define ARN of the user, right? And the value will be the name, the resource name AWS IAM user dot LB. So LB I have created here. Then will use a splat expression. Let's see that ARNs. Okay, and the value will be what is the name? Let me copy from here, and okay, dot test. Okay, then what we need to do? We need to use this bracket. Suppose if I want to grab the first user, so it's always start with 0. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 user 0 user test 0 user test 1 user test 3, like that it will create. So suppose I want to grab the first user ARN. Okay, I am not going to use a splat expression here. That is, let me show you here. So that is the star. Okay, so I am not going to use that. Okay, so what I am going to use? I am going to use 0 because I want to get the ARN of the first user. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, and let's go to let me open the terminal so that I can run Terraform init and apply. Terraform init, Terraform. So if we are using 0 here, then we will be getting 1 ARN of the user test underscore 0. Okay, so we will be getting the user test ARN only if we are using 0 here. The count is 0 here, right? So Terraform plan. let's see. Okay, learn 10 to add, as you can see here, right? So some values will get only reflected and the ARN only will get reflected if we create the resources. Okay, so let me run Terraform apply. Okay, so 10 user will get created, but will like we are going to get only one user ARN, because we are not using a splat expression here. As a output we are going to get one ARN. So let's wait, let me scroll it to little bit up. So as you can see, it's destroying the whatever EC2 was created there before. Okay, and as you can see, it's created how many users? Test 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? It created that. So let's wait for some more time, as it's taking little bit more time to try the EC2 instance. So okay, so once the apply will complete, will get output of the test 0 user ARN. Okay, so let's wait. So it's getting destroyed, the EC2 instance. So it's taking little bit more time. Okay, okay, so we got the ARN as an output. You can see user IAM user 0, right? So we got the ARN here, right? But suppose we want to create like we want to grab all the whatever user we have created, we want to grab all the user ARN. So how we can get that? We can get that using a splat expression. So let me use the splat expression here. So if I am going to use a star here and I am going to run Terraform apply quickly. So what it will do, it will just refresh the state, but in the output will get all the ARN, right? So as you can see, ARN of the user IAM user 0, ARN of the IAM user 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? We are getting all the user ARN in the output section, right? So this is how we can grab list of the resources using a splat expression in Terraform. Okay, so as we have seen, a splat expression allow us to get a list of all the attribute that we have get here as an output. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.